I just have been to our welding shop, and the reason why I didn't present you any gate pricing because the gates are that's how you do it. You go to a welding person and who's making gates, and you show them what design you want, or like the metalcraft video I had before is they have their own design, and then it also varies on what is the size of your openings or anything that you put the gates. Our local welder here, so I asked him to have a coat on my gate on my front, so you won't keep moaning that my bamboo is already so rotten that it needs to be changed. Consider done kay. With metal works here, usually I have a welder before that in my castle. I buy the metals and he welds what design I want. But right now, he can't cross over here to Cebu because I think he moved in Mindanao. So I also have dealt with Danny before, Danny the welder. So that is his trade for a long time. He is always welding there. So he had done a few of my other projects. So I'm asking him to give me a price of my gates. So what I'm trying to convey here is pricing gates in the Philippines, it depends really on the design and the size. Because as of the moment, I cannot give you, I haven't found a place that can give you pricing for your welding, because it also matters what are the metals that you want to use, like what grade. Because like me, I'm particular with the grade of metal to be used, so I buy my own metals before and then have my gates, the one that you can see when I go out of my place. It's all done by my welder before, that I pay daily basis to weld anything that I want him to build, from trusses to gates to railings. So right now I want a copy of the gate on my front, the big one, to be on where between the columns before you reach the side of the road, and in the side of the road I want 2 pipes on both sides and just put a chain, so to prevent all these trucks backing in there and break all my concrete. So what they can do is to back up in the basketball court, not in my house. So he done some of my work at home. So this is his shop here, just beside the road on the way up to the hill. So this is Danny's welding shop, and he does most of it here, and then before he carry it in and this is the man that does the welding. This is what he does for a living, is create those welding requirements that you have. Nasa ko sa tang sige lang. Kana giserdan kanang katuging sa kilid nako nga aron dili sila mo backing ba kanang tanan kog pipe kana bang tubo niya butangan na kog hook gaing kilid para butangan na mo inana pa welding. Kabit na ba para kare ang gate man sa sud no. Ya, dito to sa mangga ang sa tubangan ako akay bisag unsang gamay nga haldan raon jud sudon uy nya tinwheeler lagi nya sus mga buak atong kuan. So I'm also asking him to price me on those pipe that butangan nang nakug-ana lagi. Tanawa lang ito niya pabuto na tika dito. Sige sir Dan. Sige, thank you. So he will give me a price. He'll just measure up what's my gate, and I have the design here. Then he will give me the price. Sige, Sir Dan. Sige, thank you, Sir Dan. So, and that's the very reason why I'm using a temporary barrier as of the moment with the bamboo. And I think the bamboo as well as needs to be changed now, because you know what bamboos are like. They don't really last long if you don't care for it. So if someone else is doing the gates, then that will be another good job done without my 3 workers having to be used to make it. Because like Janelle is just learning to weld. He's the one who done the Lois trusses on the Lois house that I made for him. So he can weld a bit, but not the gate. I want the gate to be properly done by a professional welder like Danny, that's been welding all his life. So that will be the next one I will be giving. But usually when I have things priced, I have at least 2 people giving me a quote. So next time I pass through Pitos, I will be stopping by that person that's making that spiral staircase, so he can give me a price on the gate design that I have. Oh, that's thrilling. I'm meeting a big truck on a very tight corner. So that's it. The next thing is I'm gonna be pricing you on metals, welding of my gate pricing. So he'll be coming up later to measure it out, to have a look, the height and the size that I want. So I'm on way back after sorting all the documents I'm mailing. I'm going back there now to check my fencing project.